Back to this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create list on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. So we're trying to say is now WhatsApp has a new features in which you can organize your chats in a very easy way. What you need to do is just scroll down like this. You can see this is all on. These are the one that is there before. So WhatsApp has now increased it. Just click on this plus menu, this plus button now, and you can now organize your chat according to the people on your phone very easily. So I'm going to use one now, which is I'm going to create a list for my family members. So as I click on it, just click on add people or group today. Let's see, you just have to search for your family. So I'm going to click on my family now. I'm going to search. I want to add another person now, so I'm going to search for another people. I'm going to search. You can see I'll just add to them. Once I add to them, click on this number. Once you click on this number, you can see and click on create list. Just click on create list, and automatically you can click on, you can see here now. So whenever you want to chat with them very easily, just go to the family and automatically you're going to see them very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in my next video.